Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside the TikTok app on your device. First, open your profile and tap the three-line menu. This gets you to Settings and Privacy. Once there, look for Privacy. That's where Friend Discovery settings live. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to change because these controls are account-specific. If TikTok asks for verification, use the phone number or email on file to continue. This step prevents accidental changes to the wrong account. Now you'll change the settings that actually let TikTok surface you to others. Inside Privacy, tap Find Contacts or suggest your account to others depending on your app version. Turn off Sync Contacts and any toggles labeled Suggest Your Account or Allow Others to Find You. Once done, go back and disable Upload Contacts if present. That prevents future syncing. Make sure each toggle shows as off. This stops TikTok from using your phone book or suggestions to connect you with friends. Finish by checking your device settings. Revoke TikTok access to contacts in iOS or Android permissions so no new syncing can occur. Once you've adjusted both app and device permissions, log out and log back into Force Settings to refresh. If that fails, reinstall the app. If TikTok still suggests friends, use Settings Report a Problem and describe the persisting toggles, include screenshots if possible. This helps support locate account-specific sync flags and resolve it fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.